So it's Saturday morning, and I just wanted to point out that Thursday morning, 2 mornings ago, all the snow on that side of the street was gone. It was melted. We were back to sidewalks. Now, look at the snow on the roof of that shed. Look at that drift hanging over the edge of the house. And look at that cat scratching furniture. Thank you for stopping. So I finished the piece of my friends in their hot tub. This is Al and Ian. This is them sitting in the hot tub in their garden. Allison's boobs are nowhere near that big, but her feet are. I've even included her bunions. I'm happy with how this piece turned out. I'm really looking forward to giving it to them. Yesterday, they sent me a photo of themselves. Just headed out to the hot tub in the snowstorm. And they're in their bathrobes and their snow goggles. I'll show you a picture of them. They were right cute. How adorable is that, now? That's all they were wearing in the hot tub, was their beanies and their snow goggles. So I should see them soon, hopefully sometime this week. At least I'll see Allison. Oh yes, I didn't wait for the glue to dry to record it, video it, because I just loved it so much. So yeah, hopefully this week I will see Allison and I can give this to her. So on my mission to figure out some better dollhouse skills, I did some research into how to make an armchair, and here I am sort of trying to figure out how to do it on paper, and then I cut the pieces out of foam core and put it together. I botched it a little bit when I realized as I was putting it together that a couple of the pieces should have been smaller. So at the end you'll see me chopping the thing down as I'm putting it together. But here, it's on time-lapse, and I'll stick on a tune and you can watch me make my first armchair.
Time to go. I'll be waiting while you're not alone. You know me, I won't be surprised if you leave. I'll wear a disguise. Darling, don't you wait for me. Tonight I won't be coming home for tea.
really good at saying what you mean. Suppress my feelings, 'cause I know what's best for me. Feel short of confidence,